Think EVs are just for the wealthy? Think again. Prices are dropping and affordable models are everywhere. The real story is total cost of ownership. Where EVs shine, electricity is far cheaper than gas, especially when charging at home. Imagine waking up to a full tank every morning for just a few bucks. Maintenance? Minimal. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust repairs. Electric motors are simple, with fewer parts to break. Regenerative braking means even brake pads last longer. Most maintenance is just tires and wipers. Fewer trips to the mechanic, more money in your pocket. Over time, the savings add up. Big time. EVs are practical for your wallet, not just the planet. The myth of expensive electric cars is fading fast. Forget the old stereotype. EVs are anything but boring. Electric motors deliver instant torque, launching you forward the moment you hit the pedal. Family sedans now out-accelerate classic sports cars. The battery's low placement gives EVs a low center of gravity. Great for handling. You feel planted, confident, and in control, especially in corners. And the silence? It's a revelation. No engine noise, just the road and the wind. Long drives are more relaxing, commutes less stressful. But don't mistake quiet for dull. Power is always there, instantly. It's a blend of peaceful cruising and thrilling acceleration. EVs offer a unique driving experience, fast, smooth, and fun. The performance gap is gone. Eco-friendly no longer means compromise. Once you drive one, you'll get it. The future is fast and electric. Of course, there are still challenges. Charging infrastructure isn't as widespread as gas stations, yet. Range anxiety is real, especially on long trips, but networks are growing fast. Charging takes longer than filling a tank, though fast chargers are improving. Upfront costs are still higher, even as prices fall and incentives help. Battery production raises environmental and ethical questions, and recycling is a work in progress. But solutions are coming. Better batteries, more chargers, smarter recycling. These hurdles are real, but they're shrinking every year. The road to an all-electric future is bumpy, but we're moving fast. The shift to electric isn't happening by accident. Governments are setting deadlines to end gas car sales and funding charging networks. Incentives and rebates make EVs more affordable for everyone. Automakers are investing billions, racing to build better, cheaper, longer-range EVs. Competition is fierce, driving innovation and lowering prices. Energy companies, tech startups, and retailers are all joining in, installing chargers everywhere. New battery tech and smarter software are coming fast. It's a massive, coordinated push from every direction. The electric ecosystem is creating jobs and opportunities. The future of transportation is being built right now. Put it all together, and the future is clear for everyone watching. The gasoline era is ending. Electric cars are taking over our roads and cities. EVs are cleaner, smarter, cheaper to run, and more fun to drive than ever before. They're no longer niche, they're mainstream. And momentum is only growing stronger each year. Yes, challenges remain. More chargers, lower prices, better batteries, and wider access. But with global investment and innovation, these problems are being solved rapidly. For car lovers, it's bittersweet to see the old era fade into history. But the excitement of what's next is undeniable and truly inspiring. We're at the dawn of a new age, one that's quiet, clean, and incredibly fast-moving. The electric car isn't just the future, it's the present. Buckle up for the journey. The ride has only just begun and there's so much more ahead. The tech divide between EVs and gas cars is massive. EVs are digital natives, computers on wheels with giant touchscreens, over-the-air updates, and seamless connectivity. Your car can get smarter while parked in your driveway. Gas cars, even with modern infotainment, are still fundamentally mechanical. Updates require a trip to the dealer. EVs integrate software deeply, enabling advanced driver assistance and even hands-free highway driving. Features like one-pedal driving and regenerative braking make city driving smoother and more efficient. The cabin is nearly silent, creating a calm, futuristic vibe. Gas cars offer analog feedback, the rumble, the vibration, the tactile connection. It's digital versus mechanical, software versus steel. Both have their charm, but the EV's tech edge is undeniable. The driving experience is evolving fast. EVs aren't perfect. Let's talk challenges. Range anxiety is real, especially on long trips or in rural areas. Charging takes longer than filling a gas tank, and public chargers aren't everywhere yet. Infrastructure is growing, but it's not as robust or reliable as gas stations. Compatibility issues and broken chargers can frustrate drivers. Batteries are expensive and degrade over time, with cold weather reducing range. The industry is working hard to solve these problems, but they're real hurdles. For some, these issues are deal breakers. For now. The EV revolution is happening, but it's not without bumps in the road. Progress takes time and patience. The good news? Innovation is moving at lightning speed. Solid-state batteries are on the horizon. Safer, lighter, longer range, and faster charging. Charging networks are expanding with ultra-fast chargers and seamless plug-and-charge tech. Automakers are improving efficiency with better aerodynamics, lighter materials, and smarter software. Wireless charging and smarter battery management are just around the corner. Costs are dropping as battery production scales up. Soon, EVs will be cheaper to build than gas cars. The upfront price gap is closing, making EVs accessible to more buyers. Every breakthrough brings us closer to a tipping point. The combination of better tech, infrastructure, and affordability is unstoppable. The future is arriving faster than anyone expected. Change is the only constant in the garage. So, who wins, electric or gas? The answer depends on you. City driver with a garage, EVs are clean, quick, and cheap to run. Rural roads, long trips, or a love for classic engines, gas still makes sense. The infrastructure, cost, and emotional connection all matter. But the momentum is shifting. EVs are getting better, cheaper, and more common every year. Regulations are tightening, and automakers are betting on an all-electric future. Gas cars will stick around, especially for enthusiasts. But the writing's on the wall. We're living through a historic transformation in motoring. Whether you crave instant torque or a roaring V8, there's never been a more exciting time to be a car lover. The future is fast, clean, and full of possibilities. Thanks for stopping by the garage.